Here you can see futures, options and open interest, right? So if you go to options dashboard, here you can see results, liquidity, ticker, price, change, right? IVP, and we can filter it by a high IVP. That means I want to select shorting options. So if I click on high IVP, I am getting these 4 stocks: AU Bank, Exide Industry, LTTS, Mphasis. That means the option premiums are inflated. You can see 82 is the IVP here. 82 is the IVP here. IVPQ is quarterly IVP. It has been recently introduced because 2020 IVs were beyond normal thing due to COVID, right? So they have changed it to quarterly to give a better judgment. So Exide Industries has 100 IVPQ quarterly, right? So these are very expensive premiums at present. Earning best means the stocks which are nearby result can also be shown here, or liquidity. So good liquidity with high IVP are AU Bank, Exide and Mphasis. These are the stocks with good liquidity. We can search for any stock whichever we want, like this. Clear? So if I click on this, $16.87, 11, Nifty, Bank Nifty, right? IVP. These are very low. ACC, Adani Enterprises, very low IV. So premiums are deflated. So if any of these stocks like Apollo Hospital, it's 31, still it's about 20, but we can look for buying. If these stocks comes in our radar for buying, then we can look for option buying, that is call buying, if we are bullish, or put buying if we are bearish in that particular stock. In this way, we can use IVP or IVR. So I think it's 5 p.m. We'll stop here and we'll continue in next session, right? Because it's important open interest concept, because this is the most important thing which we are going to use along with our analysis methods. Up till now, what we have learned, you may know or you may not know if you are not going to trade in futures and options, because that is not needed. But we should know open interest analysis for better judgment of our methods, and it met by 5th level of our PR rate, right? 1, 2, 3 levels XABCD, as well as 4th will be our zone. 5th might be if it's coming down with 3D or compression, and 6th might be open interest. So it adds one more point which is important. So we won't hurry it. We will continue it in next session. Okay. So we will stop here. Any queries? Because it's really difficult thing to understand all this. I have just given you an overview. It's available in Zerodha Varsity. You can go and read. I also had posted in last month that read futures and options from Zerodha Varsity for better understanding of the session. Okay. So we can take for 15 minutes quick question answers if you have any related to whatever we have learned. So you can ask if you